Today I'm going to show you how to create a photo collage on Walgreens.com. The first step is for you to go ahead and go to Walgreens.com and either log in or create a user account. The next thing you'll want to do is upload your photos so that we can edit or crop them for the ones that we want to use. If you need to upload photos, you can do that using this button here, or you can import them from your Facebook account. Once you have them uploaded, you'll go ahead and click onto your album, and I'll show you quickly how you can edit your photos. The main thing I want to show you is how to crop. If you hover over an image, you can click the edit option and then edit. You can also do things like remove red eye, etc. But to crop, all you need to do is just bring down whatever you want to remove from your background. When you're putting multiple photos on a sheet, you want to try to get as much of the good stuff in as you can and remove any background that's applicable. Then all you have to do is hit apply crop. And when you're done, you hit done editing, which takes you back to your album. The next thing we're going to do is select collage prints from the prints menu, and then we can go ahead and start our collage. So like I said, we'll go to prints, come down to collage prints, and hit create now. In the next page, we'll be choosing the size and orientation, choosing whether or not we want to add a title or not, and if we want it at the top or bottom. Today I'm just going to go ahead and stick with the 8x10 option and go with the portrait. And I'm going to say that yes, we do want to add a title. We can do that at the top or the bottom. Like I said, we'll go ahead and stick with top. Now we'll go ahead and go into any album that we want. You can see there's a list of albums over here. I'm going to go ahead and use this one. And we can just start selecting the photos we want to use for our collage. So I've gone ahead and selected the photos that I'm going to use for the example today. Note that you have a max of 20 you can use, and obviously the more photos you use, the smaller they're going to be on your collage. The next page shows us an example of what our collage could look like. The next thing we're going to do is choose our border color and choose the photo border sizing. Walgreens offers all of these colors here for you to choose from. You can see what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and stick with black for today. And then you can see that you can go with a thin border, medium, or thick. I'm going to go ahead and stick with thin for today. Next, we'll be adding a title. And then we can rearrange photos so that we can get the best end product possible. So we'll just go here and like it says right here, click to add title. And we can use anything we'd like. Today I'm just going to use my daughter's names. We can go with whatever font they offer. They offer a pretty good selection. This one is one of my favorites, and I always try to make it as large as possible. Now, like I said, what we want to do is go ahead and rearrange these photos to make them as nice looking as possible and getting all the good ones in the places we want them. To do that, we can use this Shuffle Photos button, and we shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. I normally shuffle several times so that I can get the best end product possible. Walgreens is obviously using a computer software, so they don't know which photos are most important to you. If you find that there's a layout you like and you just want to move some photos around, the other thing you can do is go right here to rearrange photos. From here, you can move photos from place to place. One thing you don't want to do is move a portrait item to a landscape section. You'll see something like this where it cuts off the head. You can either save your collage from here or you can just close it out. And once you've found the best option for you, you can either save it or add it to your cart. I highly recommend that you save your collage print in case you want to reference back to it, and then you can go ahead and add to cart and check out. And that's it.